Guys, don't sleep on this. What if I told you that you and your family could relocate to one of the safest, highest-paying, English-speaking countries in the world in under 90 days, and your spouse gets full rights to work from day one? Ireland has just made major upgrades to its work visa infrastructure and expanded its critical skills list. With the new EPOS 2.0 digital portal, visa processing times have plummeted down to 4 to 6 weeks. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 2026 step-by-step blueprint to relocate to Ireland through the Critical Skills Employment Permit. We'll cover updated salary requirements, eligible jobs, how your spouse can work immediately, and how to convert this into permanent residency in under 2 years. Let's establish why the Critical Skills Employment Permit is the holy grail of European work visas. Normally, when an international company wants to hire someone from outside Europe, they have to do what's called a labor market needs test. That means advertising the job locally for 28 days to prove no local worker can do it. It's slow, tedious, and deters employers. With Ireland's Critical Skills Permit. 1. No labor market test is required. Employers can hire you directly without local delays. 2. It's fast. With the current EPOS digital processing, decisions take 4 to 6 weeks. 3. Job flexibility. After 9 months, you have the option to switch employers within your field without starting from scratch. Now, here is the absolute game changer for families. Most standard work permits globally require you to live in the host country for 12 to 24 months before you can sponsor your spouse or kids. Not Ireland's Critical Skills Permit. Under the CSEP route. Immediate family reunification, your spouse, partner, and dependent children can accompany you right away. Spousal work rights, Stamp 1G. Once in Ireland, your spouse registers for an Irish Residence Permit, IRP, and gets Stamp 1G. This allows them to work for any employer in Ireland without needing their own work permit sponsor. So, who actually qualifies in 2026? To qualify for the Critical Skills Permit, your job offer must meet specific salary thresholds and fall under eligible occupation categories. First, if your job is on the official Critical Skills Occupation list, the minimum salary required is €40,904 per year. That works out to over €3,400 per month before taxes. You will also need a relevant degree or diploma. Second, if your job is not on the critical list, provided it isn't specifically excluded, the salary threshold goes up to €68,911 per year. That translates to around €5,740 per month before taxes, and you can qualify with either a degree or relevant professional experience. Ireland has expanded the Critical Skills Occupation list. Key in-demand sectors include tech and AI, software developers, data scientists, cybersecurity specialists, AI engineers. Healthcare, nurses, doctors, radiographers, pharmacists. Engineering and green energy, renewable energy engineers, sustainability officers, civil and chemical engineers. Finance and business, actuaries, risk analysts, fund managers. Construction and surveying, construction planners, geospatial surveyors. I've linked the full updated 2026 Critical Skills Occupation list in the description box below so you can search your exact job title. Here is your 5-step roadmap to land this visa in 2026. Step 1. Secure a valid job offer. Find a role with a DEET-registered employer in Ireland paying at or above the threshold. Start applying on Irish job portals like irishjobs.ie, LinkedIn, and jobsireland.ie. Step 2. Gather required documents. You'll need a valid passport, official degree certificates, CV, and signed employment agreement. Step 3. Submit via EPOS 2.0. Applications are submitted digitally through Ireland's EPOS portal. Either you or your employer can initiate it. The fee is €1,000. Step 4. Visa entry application, if applicable. If you are from a visa-required country, you apply for your Type D entry visa after permit approval. Step 5. Travel and register for Stamp 1. Fly to Ireland, register with immigration, get your Irish residence permit card, and bring your family. Now, let's talk about the long game, permanent residency and citizenship. With standard work permits, you have to wait 5 full years before you get free residency. But with critical skills. Month 0. Stamp 1 work permit. Month 21, eligible for Stamp 4, permanent residency equivalent. Year 5, eligible for EU and Irish citizenship and passport. After just 21 months on a critical skills permit, you can upgrade to Stamp 4. Stamp 4 means you no longer need work permit sponsorship at all, you can work for anyone, start a business, or take a sabbatical. And after completing 5 years of legal residence in Ireland, you are eligible to apply for Irish citizenship by naturalization, giving you a powerful EU passport. Ireland could be your next big opportunity. The earlier you prepare, the stronger your application becomes. So here's today's question. If you could move to Ireland tomorrow, which sector would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments together with your country. I read every comment. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss new work visa and relocation opportunities. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.